Today's video is Grist versus Baserow, two powerful no-code databases. Choosing the right tool can transform how you organize and manage data without complex coding. We'll cover their key features and differences. Grist and Baserow both offer no-code database solutions but differ in focus. Grist blends spreadsheet flexibility with relational database power, while Baserow emphasizes simplicity and open source collaboration. Understanding this core difference helps pick the right fit. Grist is a no-code platform that combines spreadsheet familiarity with database capabilities. It lets users create custom tables, views, and formulas, supporting relational data and automation. The interface is highly flexible, allowing users to build complex workflows without coding. Grist's strength lies in its hybrid design, which suits users who want spreadsheet ease but need relational structure. It supports data linking, filtering, and custom views, making it ideal for project management, CRM, or inventory tracking. However, its advanced features can present a learning curve for beginners, and performance may slow with very large datasets. Grist is best for users comfortable with spreadsheets who want to scale into database power without technical overhead. Baserow is an open-source, no-code database designed for simplicity and collaboration. It offers a clean, intuitive interface focused on ease of use, allowing teams to build and share databases quickly. Baserow supports real-time collaboration, role-based permissions, and integrates via API, making it a great choice for teams needing straightforward data management. Its open-source nature means users can self-host and customize the platform to their needs. While Baserow excels at simplicity and teamwork, it lacks some of the advanced relational and formula features found in Grist. It's ideal for users or teams prioritizing easy setup, quick deployment, and collaborative workflows without complex configurations. Baserow suits smaller projects or organizations wanting an accessible, community-driven database solution. Comparing Grist and Baserow highlights trade-offs between flexibility and simplicity. Grist offers powerful relational features and spreadsheet-style formulas, fitting users who need customizable workflows and complex data relationships, such as project managers and analysts. However, it may require more time to master. Baserow focuses on ease of use and collaboration, perfect for teams wanting to spin up databases quickly and share access with minimal setup. Its open-source model adds customization options but lacks some advanced database functions. For example, a small marketing team might prefer Baserow for its collaborative simplicity, while a product manager handling multi-table data and automation may lean toward Grist. Both tools support no-code database needs but serve different user priorities. Grist for power and flexibility, Baserow for straightforward collaboration. Choose Grist if you need advanced relational capabilities combined with spreadsheet flexibility and are comfortable with a slightly steeper learning curve. Baserow is the better choice for teams seeking an easy-to-use, collaborative, and open-source no-code database with quick setup. Both tools excel in different areas, so pick the one that best matches your workflow and project complexity.